parusa sa good vibes. Pero pag nagbati naman, over sa kilig ang pinapa-feel nila sa atin. Our afternoon will surely be filled with more kilig than ever dahil sasamahan tayo ni Mark at Monique dito lang sa Kapamilya Chat, GB Chat with Sam and Colleen. Kaya guys, give it up na! Sam and Colleen! Wala ka! Sasayaw ka! Ikaw sasayaw ka! Sana!
Mahina, no?
Mahina.
Hey, what's up?
You know why?
Colleen, do it!
Put your arms out front. They gon' be on you when they see you like a dirty ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from one side. He go my brother, he ain't with that double gun. Okay. I ain't the boss, but I detail biggie. I show my moves on everybody trying to spit it. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to spit it. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it.
Musuy-uso na tayo.
So they try to show that bitch.
I tried, guys. I tried.
Ayan, thank you. And let us also acknowledge the presence of our text promo winner na si Rhea Lynn. Ayan. Ayan. And guys, hindi lang chat ang dapat inabangan nyo today dahil 2 of the chatters ay may chance na manalo ng GB Dog Tag. All you have to do is answer the trivia question of the day. And ang first question is, anong title ng song ni Vice Ganda na gagamitin sa isang GB episode?
Bad vibes.
Ulitin ko, anong title ng song ni Vice Ganda na gagamitin sa isang GB episode?
It's called Bad Vibes.
Ayan, may clue na binigay si Sam. Now, all you have to do is send us your answer, complete name, address, and contact number para malaman namin kung paano ka namin kukontakin for you to claim your prize. Ayan. At meron tayong special guest na ilang beses na nating naging special guest.
Every Thursday.
Every Thursday, nandito siya.
No way, man.
Tagiga.
Ayan, nandito si Chikara.
Gusto niya rin daw may sound.
Gusto niya rin daw sumayaw. Ayan. Kailangan sumayaw si Chikara. The floor is yours. Dito ka. Dito ka sa gitna.
So I had to chew it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
Teach me how to do it.
All my bitches love it. All my bitches love it. All my bitches love it. You ain't fucking with my doggy.
Teach me how to do it. Ayan. Hindi nag-chat si Chikara eh. Na-miss natin si Chikara. Hindi niya tayo pinupuntahan dito
talaga?
sa GB chat. Hindi. Hindi siya
Okay
nag-chat dito. Ayan. Ito, simulan na natin ang kilig by starting off with a question from Maika. Sabi niya,
Maika.
Hi Sam and Colleen, describe niyo nga po ang GB crew isa-isa. Ayan, let's start off with Sam.
Me, why me?
Because we want you to start.
Sige, simula. Describe everybody.
Oo.
Okay, let's see.
Isa-isa. O start mo muna yung describe. Last si Colleen.
Let's see.
Chikara.
Si Mami Bechay.
Ayun.
Tama, everybody.
GB crew! Sana yung GB crew talaga.
Okay. Sino ba?
Si Pam.
Si Ivan. Ivan, the slowest of them all. Very
Slow motion siya.
chill. Yeah, he's very laid back. Actually, yeah. Tapos si James. James is fun, masaya. Kasi lagi kasama. Laid back, but he's crazy too when he has to. Sino ba? Si Kara. Ayun. Yan. Yan na yun.
Kaya siya na yan.
Kung hindi nakita nyo kanina, unfortunately, we have to put up with that every Saturday. And
Aaron and Mika.
si Aaron. Ayun, tagal ko lang nalala si Aaron sa ano pa lang. Sa Gabriel Boys. Enrique. Gabriel Boys din siya for time. Enrique, madalas, lately hindi naman, pero madalas tulog. Kasi galing MSP. Pero ngayon, makulit. Maingay. Maingay naman kami, lahat kami, lagi kami maingay sa set. Si Enrique, tsaka si Joe, yun yung promotor ng arm wrestling sa set. Wala kami ginagawa. Kain lang kami ng kain.
The
The
girls.
girls.
The girls.
Some of the girls.
Sa girls. Silin. Silin, I call it my favorite dancer in the world. She calls me idol. Wala na. Joke
Sabi
lang.
lang.
Hindi masabi ka na.
Hindi, totoo yun. Lin, my favorite dancer in the world. And si Heidi's the goddess. The dance goddess. So, yeah. Ano ba ba? Si Heidi is, I think she's the eldest sa mga girls. But she acts the youngest. She's always like,
Very small boy.
Yeah.
yeah.
I interviewed her last week for the GB chat. And then, when I asked Hazel and Heidi kung sino yung parang crush talaga nila sa Good Vibes Boys, they both said Sam.
Guys, no!
Tama na rin! Sinabi nila Sam daw kasi parang full package na raw. Magaling umarte, magaling sumayaw. So, ano masasabi mo doon?
Thank you guys.
Ikaw ang ultimate crush ng dalawa.
I crush you guys too.
Baka naman may pagbabayad nung before yung chat sabihin.
No. Talaga?
Oo,
Siguro
sinabi.
niloloko lang nila ako.
Sam daw talaga.
Kasi hindi
Since wala.
naman nila sabi sa akin yun unless nasa shy scenes. Yeah. Si Hazel naman. Si Hazel, she's young. How old is Hazel? She's like 19, di ba? Yeah. 19, but she acts naman the eldest. Like, complete opposite. She's just, alam mo yun, composed. And then, alam mo yun. Yeah.
Very late.
Yeah. Very, kung ano si Leia, ganun siya. Is that,
Is it a good thing?
no, it's a good thing. It's a good thing.
But less alalay. Or does she have tatlong alalay talaga in real life?
Less alalay, less arte also. Sino ba? Devon.
Devon.
Devon is... Ayan, siya yung pinaka... I think siya yung pinaka magulo sa girls.
Paano magulo? Define magulo in your
Pinakamakulit.
vocabulary.
Pinaka makulit. Pinaka... Nananapak kasi yun. Or, kunyari, nakakatawa siya kasi pagtatawa. Kasi parang, lagi siyang tawa ng tawa, bumingis-ngis. And she hits you like that, diba? And masakit yun. Masakit talaga. Bilang, Devon, talaga yan sakit. Parang gano'n. Oo, ganyan. Hindi, ganyan. Tapos sabihin niya, ay, Sam, sorry! Sorry siya, pero...
ganun.
Ganun siya. Ito pa? Kalawit eh. Pero yun, lumakas yung katawan ko dahil sa kanya. Solid.
Si Colleen.
Colleen? Ano ba? Wala lang. Hindi,
Sino
joke.
yun?
Meron ka pa nalimutan.
Ay, si... Ha?
Si Yen.
Si
Ay,
Yen.
si-
Oo. Yen, saan? Ay, ako. Alam niya yun.
I love Yen.
Si Yen.
For the record, mahal ko siya.
Si Yen. Si Yen, basta kabiruan. Meron kaming mga inside jokes lagi. Basta alam nyo yun. Basta nakakatawa siya lagi.
Dami pala natin.
Nga, ang dami.
First question pa lang. Ang sisa pa lang. 4:30 na.
Oo nga, no?
Si Colleen naman. Si Colleen ba? Siya yung pinakamagaling sumayaw.
Ay!
Sa Colleen.
Alam mo
Ayan,
yan.
nakakita ng mga tao.
Sabot! Sabot! Siya yung...
Ayan. Oh, it's
Ano
Colin's
serious
turn.
ah? Pero siya, I guess siya yung pinaka hindi seryoso. Sige.
What are you talking?
No. Seryoso lang nga eh. No, yeah.
Okay, it's Colin's
Challenge.
turn.
Enrique.
Enrique, he's very palabiro all the time.
How do you know that? Sabi ko nga, laging tulog eh.
Palabiro kaya siya when he's awake. And
Ivan James.
Ivan and James, they're both very chill. Tapos, mahilig sila magdala ng guitar sa set, kasi they're always singing lang. They're not noisy and rowdy, unless everyone is already. And, sino si Chikara? Chikara, palagi may baon ng music.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi na ba?
Chikara is the life of the party.
Yeah.
And actually also the death.
Life and death.
Because he just kills it. He
And
kills it.
Aaron naman, pa, si Lynn is a very graceful dancer. Heidi naman is a very powerful dancer. Sobrang hanga ako kay Heidi, the way she dances. Sobra.
So she has no grace.
Sexy pa. So sexy.
Grace daw.
No.
Power lang.
No, but yun ang pinang napapansin. She's very powerful. And,
Siya yung, alam niya yung, basta pag-dance, alam niya yun. She can,
Alam niya i-differentiate.
yeah,
nagja-judge lang.
she can judge. Alam mo yun,
pero pag ako
she's in
na,
that position.
lang eh.
Oo.
kasi hanggang dyan lang ako. And, well, si Yen is very easy to talk to. She's very easy to get close to. Sabi ko si Leia, si Kiza. I like the way she acts. She's very in character. Nakakadala. And she's very sophisticated. Devon, very rowdy. Makulit nga. And yun, sino?
Ayoko na balikan. Parang kumpleto na.
Ayan.
Si Sam na.
Mami Betcha.
Ay, Sam na lang.
Si Sam is very talented. Sige, ikaw na.
May issue.
Parang may issue. Ayan guys, simula pa lang yan ang kulitan at kilig dito sa GV Chat. Magbabalik kami after a very quick, short break. Thank you. And we are back. Apparently wala bang nakakaalam ng sagot sa trivia. Nagbigay na si Sam ng clue eh.
It's called Bad Vibes, guys.
Ayan, ulitin ko yung question Anong title ng song ni Vice Ganda na gagamitin sa isang GV episode?
Minute na yun once.
Ayan,
Yeah.
tweet na daw yan
Retweeted
once eh. Wala ba nakakuha ng tamang
Search,
sagot?
search.
Ayan.
Search, search,
Search,
search.
search.
Search,
Search,
search.
search.
Yan, may clue na si Sam ha. Send nyo lang sa amin yung answer nyo. Full name, address, email address, and contact
It's so
number.
easy.
Bad vibes.
Para manalo ng GV.
It's called Bad Vibes.
Yes,
That's
kahit
what the
mag-guess
show
na
is
may
called.
wild guess lang guys. Malay nyo tama.
Hindi siya ganun kawal.
Ayan. Resume na tayo sa mga questions.
Let's go.
Ayan, ito kilig question from Dixie. Sabi niya, Sam, how's your impression of Colleen changed since nung umpisa ng Good Vibes till now na close na kayo? So, anong first impression mo sa kanya? Tapos anong impression mo na sa kanya now?
First impression.
Diba? Nice question, Dixie.
Yeah, it's a nice question.
Eye to eye.
Ano ba?
Eye to eye contact.
Mamaya yung eye-to-eye contact.
Actually, I think naman your first impression of her, your first impression lasts. Diba?
Why, what's your first
Oh, so what's your first impression?
Well, what she is now, ganyan, she's very makulit.
Specific.
She's, very... I can't find the right word. No, talaga. Yeah.
Ganun.
Yeah, words aren't enough to describe
Tamad
her.
ka lang eh.
No, but, hindi. Kasi, ano ko ba ito sasagutin? No,
Sarap pitik.
no, never mind.
Sige na, sagutin na.
What's the question again?
How's
I got
your...
sidetracked.
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba?
Yeah. Has it changed? No. She's still the very makulit, very bubbly kind of person that I met the first time.
Okay, very safe answer. Ayan,
Ano bang unsafe answer?
whatever. Kay Colleen, moving on, tatagal tayo dito. Kay Colleen, i-describe mo daw kung paano kayo, yung unang meeting nyo, kung natatandaan mo pa daw, yung unang meeting nyo ni Sam.
Okay.
That first moment.
Ano yun? Callbacks ng Good Vibes. You're there.
Why were you there nga?
Ay!
I think,
Actually, yeah.
Ano nalaman kung ba't nandito si Colleen? Sinabi ba yun sa chat or...
So I can, kwento it.
Vaguely.
Vaguely.
Okay, I was there sa
Sa
callbacks
bigyan
ng
na
Good
nandun siya.
Vibes. And, yeah. Hirap i-explain.
Kaya nga, that's why I had a hard time answering the question. Kasi
Yeah.
First time ba yun? Talaga.
Ay, oo nga, no. Ay, oo. Yeah. Anyway, so yun, dun kami nagkakilala and at first akala ko